Hello everyone, I am Habibur Rahman, professional web and graphic designer. I have 5 years experience in this profession. I provide web and graphic design service. I build up WordPress website using popular page builder, Elementor, awesome design and some great features and looks professional design. I also build up user-friendly website for you and your clients and easy to see all device. I am skilled in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, offering graphic design service including product editing, posters, logos, YouTube thumbnails, banners, and more. I deliver creative high-quality design customized to meet your branding and promotional needs effectively. Let's see some my satisfied client feedback for my service. I always try to my best for my client satisfied. I take my clients' work on my shoulders seriously and keep them pushing and updating at every step of the project. If you want to know more about me, please visit my portfolio website hr-habib.com. Thanks for watching my portfolio video.